Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the garage. Got a question. Did anyone ever tell you that you can't run a spool on the streets? Or maybe a high stall converter is not good for a street car. It's only meant for a drag car, or 410 gears. That's too much gear for a street car. Well, let me just tell you, I have a spool, I have 410 gears, and I have a 4,000 stall converter in this car. And I run it on the street. So I just wanted to go for a little drive because I got some gas in there I want to run out of this thing. And probably do a couple burnouts too while I'm at it. So if you want to go for a little ride along, and you can be the judge if 410 gears, a spool, and a high stall converter are not meant for the streets, or maybe they're just too radical for the streets. So let's get in this thing and get it fired up. Fights you a little bit when you're making like 90-degree, like low speed turns, but if you got softer compound tires, it ain't that bad. And the high stall, not bad either. It just makes it a hell of a lot funner to drive, because when you freaking stab the throttle, she's screaming. Look at that. Absolutely no traction. street ideal with 410 gears? It is, depending on what the use of the car is. This is a street strip car. I don't take it on long road trips. It cruises around town. I take it to the drag strip. That's it. It's a lot funner to drive, I can tell you that. Does it get terrible gas mileage? Yes. It was going to get terrible gas mileage regardless, so not really too worried about that. I didn't build this car for gas mileage. I built it to be fun to drive and for it to go fast. So, I mean, everybody's got their own opinion on stuff like running a spool or a high stall converter on the street. So you do what you want. It's your car. It doesn't matter to me. I mean, I got mine the way I want. So hopefully you enjoyed riding along with it. Maybe gives you a little bit of a idea of what it would be like to drive one like this if that's not what you have. If you're kicking around the idea of maybe putting a higher stall in or 410 gears. I mean, it's not that bad. So I say go for it if you're just going to have a street strip car.